Welcome to SugarFit. Let's start your journey on the path back from diabetes. Please select a language you are comfortable with. This will enable us to match you with the right diabetes expert based on your preference. Please select your gender and date of birth. Now please enter your address. We will deliver your welcome kit and schedule a diagnostic test at your given address. You can adjust the pointer on the map to select the exact location. It is important to enter your house number or building number so that we can easily reach you. You can mark your address as home, office, or others. Please enter your email ID. This is the email ID to which we'll send all your reports. You will be sent a verification code to verify your email. Thank you for providing all the required information. Now please select a doctor with whom you'd like to consult through your reversal journey. You can review their qualifications, experience, and language before making your choice. Thank you, your reversal journey has begun. You are now on the homepage of the app. There are a few things that we want you to do and a few things that we have already initiated, like sending you our welcome package. It contains a continuous glucose monitor and a glucometer with lancets and 100 strips. Once that is delivered, our executive will get in touch with you to arrange a date and time to install the CGM sensor. And now it's your turn. Start by booking a consultation with your diabetes coach. It is as easy as clicking on the Get in Touch button on the app. You can select a date and time slot of your choice and you are done. A consultation has been booked and it appears as a reminder card on the top. At the scheduled time, the join button on the card will be activated and you can do a video call with your diabetes coach. Now it's time to book your at-home diagnostic test by clicking on the schedule button. You can select any date and time of your choice, but we suggest you do it as soon as possible because diagnostic reports are mandatory to book your doctor consultation. Our agent will reach out to you before visiting your house to collect the sample. And I hope you remember the welcome kit that we sent you. Once that is delivered, our executive will get in touch with you to arrange a date and time to install the CGM sensor. Post sensor installation, you can start logging daily activities by tapping on the plus icon on the CGM Insight graph on the app. You can log your food, exercise, sleep, and medication. All these logged activities will appear on the graph as an icon. You can tap on these icons to get detailed insight about the impact of the activity on your glucose levels. To take readings from the CGM sensor, our executive will visit you on specified days. Once the reading is taken, they'll be visible on the CGM Insight graph on the app. The app will integrate the CGM readings with your activity input and give you a comprehensive understanding of your blood glucose levels in relation to your activities. Once your diagnostic test report is ready, you'll receive it on your email and you can then schedule a consultation with your doctor on the app. That's it. Now the app has begun to integrate every aspect of your treatment plan in one place. To begin with, your diabetes coach will create personalized and easy to follow interventions. These are the activities that you have to do on a daily basis. You can also mark these activities as completed or not completed by swiping left and selecting the desired option. And if you have entered a wrong input, you can change it. We create a personalized diet plan suited to your needs, taste, and preferences. You can access this by clicking on the nutrition in the bottom navigation. You can follow the broader food group recommendation or choose from a variety of meal options. We'll create a customized fitness plan with specific exercise for you to do every day. The app videos will make sure that you are doing the right exercise the right way. We also track your progress so that your diabetes coach and your doctor are aware of your exercise regime. And don't worry about storing your glucose levels. In our sugar journal, you can record your sugar levels and add personalized notes to your readings to help your doctor understand them better. And that was all about the app. The only thing you need to do is stay consistent and follow the simple plan that your doctor and coach have created, and we will take care of everything else. Welcome again to the SugarFit family. Your path back from diabetes starts now.